Hey, this is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is...
Mayonnaise.
And this is... The Chocolate Break! How you doing?
Alright, how you doing?
Are you?
I'm good. You good? You hanging?
Huh?
Yeah? You like monkeys?
Pussies.
You like animals?
Like duh.
You like to eat animals?
Yum yum.
Miles has picked our first
Yeah.
of the evening. What's that say?
Let's see on there.
Tony.
Tony Chocolonely. You want to try this one this time?
Are
Okay.
you gonna eat some? Look, it's chocolate.
It's a glass chocolate.
Tony's Chocolonely.
This one, what is it? It was 51% dark chocolate with almonds.
Almonds?
Almonds.
No!
Ready?
Oh, off camera.
Boing, boing.
You gonna try it?
You want a piece? Good job.
Ready,
Ready,
set, go. Ow, chocolate. Well, my initial thought is, meh. I'm not.
There's nothing special about the chocolate, and the almonds have no flavor. It's just more of a texture.
I will say the chocolate is as smooth as humanly could possibly perceive smoothness being, but
It's not overly bitter.
it's not bad. I'm not saying it's bad, but it's just like, meh. I am giving it a 2.5 out of 5. Direct middle of the line. Middle of the road.
Giving it a 2.
All right.
Next.
The last time we had Miles on the show, he didn't really want to eat what we brought to the table. So maybe this time we'd have something a little more suitable for Miles.
Yeah.
These are Smarties. They're M&Ms from Canada. Yeah, they're just little chocolate things. Notice too, they've got 3 little reservoir chambers that contain the Smarties, so you can enjoy them over a longer.
And on the tops it says, make 'em last.
Make them last. Ready?
Set,
Go. Chocolate, you eat it. That's for you. Yummy. M&M.
You stinker.
They're basically like M&Ms with an extra hard candy shell.
There's more candy shell than what M&M's has.
Definitely much more. It's hard to score them because they're just like, yeah, they're handy covered pieces of chocolate.
2.5.
2.5, yeah.
Alright, well let's try something else.
What's this?
Golden Alps. Milk chocolate with hazelnut. Look at that.
I like the design. It's kind of like a neat little smell.
Smell it? Go.
You don't have to eat a bunch, my boy. Just one bite. There we have 3 pieces. Ah!
Ready?
Oh!
Get it.
Ready?
Set,
Set,
go.
go.
Ching, ching.
This was found at the real Canadian Superstore in Richmond, BC. It is manufactured in Switzerland.
Which makes me kind of sad. Product of Switzerland.
Honestly, I found this to be at par with the Walmart Canada offering.
It tastes like really, really cheap chocolate.
Can you say Palmer's? Well,
And the hazelnuts were just kind of meh.
very meh. 2.
1.5.
1.5. Well, 3 more varieties of chocolate. Even one that was specially made for you, Miles.
And one that you picked yourself, and then you still didn't eat them. But that's okay.
We'll keep trying.
Yep.
He loves to eat chocolate, just not in front of you. So
Yeah.
maybe if you guys just like
Chilled out.
bye-bye.
Bye.